Sometimes I think the strangest thing in the world is a blank sheet of paper. It looks like nothing, but at the same time, it can become anything: a face, a memory, a dream, or even someone who only existed in my imagination. Every time I put my pencil on paper, I don't feel like I'm just drawing. I feel like I'm bringing something into the real world that only existed in my mind moments ago. I'm not here to show you the perfect way to shade, draw eyes, or create perfect proportions. I want this to be a peaceful place, a place where we can slow down and watch a blank page turn into something meaningful. Watching an idea come to life, one line at a time, is something special. And honestly, life feels a lot like drawing. At first, everything seems uncertain. You don't know how it's going to turn out. And sometimes you don't even know where to begin. But every drawing starts with a single line, not with perfection, not with confidence, just one line, then another, and another. Life works the same way. We don't have to create a masterpiece overnight. We just have to keep going. The girl I'm drawing today doesn't exist in real life. She existed in my imagination long before she appeared on this page. Her eyes, her expression, the shape of her face, and the movement of her hair all started as an image in my mind. Then, little by little, they found their way onto the paper. I think our dreams are like that too. Before they become real, they only exist inside our imagination. If we never give them a chance to leave our minds, they stay there forever. A lot of people think being attractive is only about having a beautiful face. I don't believe that. I think attraction is built through details. In this drawing, maybe the first thing you notice is the hair. The soft waves and the flow of the lines give the character personality. People are like that too. No one is interesting because of only one feature. Real beauty comes from confidence, kindness, calmness, and all the little things that make you who you are. Just like a drawing isn't beautiful because of one perfect eye. It's beautiful because every detail works together. One thing drawing has taught me is patience. Whenever I rush, I make more mistakes. Sometimes the best thing I can do is stop, look, think, and then draw the next line. Maybe life asks us to do the same. Sometimes it's okay to pause, breathe, think, and move forward with more intention. One of my favorite moments is when the paper stops looking empty. When simple pencil strokes become a person with a story. That's the moment that keeps me coming back. Because every drawing feels like watching an idea being born. People sometimes ask me where my ideas come from. I don't always know. Sometimes I imagine a pair of eyes. Then the hair appears. Then the face. Then the shadows. It's almost like the drawing finds its own way. Maybe that's what creativity really is. Trusting your imagination enough to let it speak. If you feel like you're not where you want to be yet, remember how this drawing began. It was just a blank page. nothing special. And now, there's a character looking back at us. There was no magic, just patience, practice, one line after another. I think life is less about talent and more about showing up even when progress feels slow. I hope this video gave you more than just a drawing. hope it gave you a peaceful moment, a chance to slow down, breathe, and remember that beautiful things don't appear all at once. They grow little by little, just like every drawing, and maybe just like us. Thank you for spending this time with me. This channel isn't just about drawing. It's about creativity, quiet moments, honest conversations, and slowing down together. If that sounds like something you'd like to be part of, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, care of yourself, and never stop creating. Thanks for watching me.